Hey there, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to compare Interactive Brokers and TradeStation Global. Both of these platforms are really similar because TradeStation Global is directly using the markets and products of Interactive Brokers, so we will see a lot of similarities, but there are some differences. First, what I'm going to talk about are fees. Then I will talk about inactivity fee, which is the hugest part of this video. Then I will talk about the markets and products, account opening, and what I like and don't like on both of these brokers. So let's start. Now, Interactive Brokers got cheaper stocks compared to TradeStation Global. Let me show you. If you would go here to fees, you would see that US stock of $2,000 trade costs $1, but the fee of TradeStation Global costs 1.5. UK stock with German stocks are much lower on TradeStation Global comparing to Interactive Brokers. Also, Interactive Brokers has cheaper options comparing to TradeStation Global. That's also huge. And the Forex is similar. When we look on it, you can see the Euro USD. See, it's like similar or literally same. So now, but the huge part of this video, which is the most important thing that you're going to watch right now, is inactivity fee. Inactivity fee, you don't have it on TradeStation Global. This is what I recommend for everyone. If you have up to $20,000-$50,000, go with TradeStation. If you're gonna like up to 100,000, choose TradeStation. But in the moment when you would like go beyond 100K, go with Interactive Brokers and just rebalance whole your portfolio. This is what I would do. Only because like if you have an account under 100,000 in Interactive Brokers, you're gonna pay the $20 fees, which is monthly, and that's like such a huge fee. So this is what I would do. Now the markets and products, both of these have the same markets and products only because they're directly connected. I recommend TradeStation Global for account opening. It's much simpler. Also, a web trading platform is much simpler comparing to Interactive Brokers. So I don't have much to talk about. Customer service, both of these customer services are different because TradeStation is using their own and Interactive Brokers are also using their own. Now, you get education here. The one thing that you don't have the demo account on TradeStation Global, you have like a lot of educational videos, trading platform tutorials in Interactive Brokers. Research on both of these platforms is fine, and this is pretty much it. So both of these are also safe, like if we talk about the security, only because they are huge and they are going to cover you out. I think it's up like 20-30,000, I think. So we need to see it right now. Safety is for European countries 85,000, and that's pretty much it. 85,000 is for Europe. So thank you very much, everybody. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in comments. I hope this video helped you and provided some guidance and feedback what you should do. To summarize this whole, I would recommend choosing TradeStation if you have up to 20, 30, 50,000 euro and you want to invest during the like long time period, like 1,000 euro monthly or 500,000, or like 500, not 500,000, 500 monthly. I would go with the TradeStation, honestly, only because like the inactivity fees in Interactive Brokers would eat you up. So yeah, thank you everybody, and goodbye.